Oh, my name's Peter. I'm building a classical guitar in the Torres style. Or should I say I'm building my second guitar? Instantly, every single guitar I've bought in the past has been a dud. I've had to spend lots of time fixing it up. I'm left-handed too, so on the market, left-handers seem to be worse quality than your average right-hand guitar. And then I had a friend who introduced me to the whole world of hand-built guitars, and that initially initiated my spark, and then I got into exploring tone woods. I've always loved timbre. In the past, I always saw myself building instruments anyway, and he told me the benefits of hand building a guitar, and decided, and I guess the need, the want, the desire just grew exponentially, and I finally found a school that offers what I can actually afford, which was Andrew's, because he does it in block classes. So far, this has been an incredible journey, a really good experience for me personally. If you want to experience something along these lines, have a look at the details at the end of this video. Right.